Imagine a tiny frozen turd, yes. You heard that right, holding secrets about an entire era of Earth's history. This is how scientists use squirrel poop to unlock clues about the Ice Age. Ground squirrels store food in burrows with multiple tunnels for safety and survival. When they die, their frozen waste becomes a time capsule, preserving ancient plant material that reveals what the environment was like thousands of years ago. Unlike regular fossils, this fossilized food contains organic material from plants, giving us a unique glimpse into the past. Ground squirrels are tiny time machines. Their burrows, complex tunnels with multiple exits, mirror those of ancient Ice Age squirrels. When these squirrels died, their frozen poop preserved plant seeds, giving scientists a snapshot of the landscape thousands of years ago. By studying this fossilized food, researchers reconstruct what plants thrived in the past. This behavior also shows how squirrels relocate nests for safety, a trait crucial for survival. As noted in studies on modern squirrel behavior, Article 2. A ground squirrel's burrow is a labyrinth of tunnels and chambers designed for survival. These squirrels stash fruit in hidden caches, creating long-term storage that can last for years. When they die in their burrows, their frozen poop becomes a time capsule, preserving plant material from thousands of years ago. By studying this preserved waste, scientists can reconstruct the landscape and climate of the Ice Age. Now, let's see how this frozen poop acts as a time machine. Scientists analyze its chemistry to find ancient plant traces like seeds trapped inside. By studying isotopes, tiny atomic fingerprints that reveal an element's origin and history, they reconstruct temperature shifts and dietary changes over thousands of years. Think of it like a fossilized menu. What the squirrel ate reveals the climate when it lived, painting a vivid picture of the Ice Age's harsh yet thriving world. Scientists treat frozen squirrel poop like tiny time capsules. They analyze isotopes, tiny atomic fingerprints, to track temperature changes over thousands of years. Stable carbon ratios act as a fossilized menu, revealing what plants the squirrels ate. Microscopic seeds trapped inside show which plants thrived during the Ice Age. It's like piecing together a puzzle where each clue helps us reconstruct Earth's past landscapes. Beneath the ground, a squirrel's burrow is a maze of tunnels and chambers like a tiny underground city. These aren't just hiding spots, they're survival tools. Squirrels relocate their babies to escape predators or parasites, a behavior ancient squirrels also used during the Ice Age. By digging deeper or moving nests, they adapted to harsh conditions, leaving behind clues in frozen burrows that scientists study today. Deep in the Yukon's permafrost, scientists uncovered ancient squirrel burrows, elaborate underground networks with multiple tunnels and nesting chambers. Just like today's ground squirrels relocate their young to escape threats, these Ice Age relatives did too. Their perfectly preserved poop isn't just gross, it traps microscopic plant seeds, revealing which tough, cold-resistant plants thrive when glaciers dominated the landscape. These frozen time capsules show how animals adapted to survive in a world of ice and scarcity. At first glance, frozen squirrel poop might seem like nothing more than dirt, but it's actually a scientific treasure. Unlike regular soil, this fossilized material preserves isotopes, tiny atomic fingerprints that reveal clues about the Ice Age climate and what ancient squirrels ate. These time capsules help scientists piece together how animals survived extreme conditions, offering insights that plain sediment can't. But this isn't just about squirrels. It's about piecing together Earth's climate puzzle. Imagine a time when massive ice sheets covered the planet and plants had to adapt or die out. Squirrel poop acts like a tiny time capsule, preserving isotopes that reveal ancient temperatures and plant diets. These clues help scientists fill gaps in our understanding of how life survived the Ice Age. It's like finding a hidden layer in history, one frozen turd at a time. Today's ground squirrels are like living survival guides to the Ice Age. They dig burrows with multiple exits, just like ancient relatives did to escape predators or bad weather. Watch as a mother squirrel carefully moves her babies to a safer nest, showing how they've adapted for thousands of years. By studying what plants they eat now, scientists can guess which ones thrived in icy climates long ago. It's proof that even tiny creatures leave clues about the past. But reading this ancient poop isn't simple. Scientists must first tell modern squirrels apart from their Ice Age cousins by spotting tiny differences in burrow tunnels or even the shape of their droppings. They also check isotopes to see if the clues hint at cold snaps or just local plants. Some details are missing, but every scrap helps piece together the past, like solving a puzzle with gaps. Just like their Ice Age ancestors, modern ground squirrels dig burrows with escape routes and move babies to safety. Scientists study this behavior to understand how life adapted during climate shifts. It's a survival guide written by squirrels themselves. This research helps us tackle today's conservation challenges, like protecting habitats or predicting how species will cope with climate change. If you're curious about these tiny time capsules, explore Ice Age fossils, or track modern ground squirrels' behavior, every clue brings us closer to solving Earth's ancient mysteries. This frozen poop isn't just a quirky Ice Age relic, it's proof that survival instincts evolve. Ancient ground squirrels dug burrows with multiple escape tunnels to dodge predators or bad weather. Today we are breaking down a complex debris. Why it matters, from parasites or threats. Want to dig deeper? Study fossils of those old teeth, or watch modern squirrels in